Here, student, today we are in a new point to define total spin of the atoms equal to plus or minus into n, where n is a unpaired electron, means a single, not a paired. Example of it in nitrogen atomic number serine. We have to define total spin 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In 1s there are 2 electrons, in 2s there are 2, in 2p there are 3 electrons. Understood? So this is paired electron અને paired કહેવાય couple. One is clockwise and one is anti-clockwise. Any orbital માં 2 electron હોય તેમાં એકનો spin clockwise તો એકનો anti-clockwise હોય છે. So plus 1 half and minus 1 half will be cut 0. Here also paired. So plus 1 half and minus 1 half, total will be 0. Now in total 0 થઈ જાય. But here is the 3 unpaired having same spin. આ ત્રણેય clockwise હોય કા ત્રણેય anti-clockwise હોય. Suppose ત્રણેય clockwise છે. So here n equal to 3 unpaired. Like pairing થઈ ગઈ, pairing નથી. Unpaired electrons are 3. So total of it plus 1 half plus 3 by 2 means plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2. Suppose it is a minus 1 half. ત્રણેયનો spin same હોય ને, ત્રણેય clockwise હોય. p orbital 3 છે, px, py and pz. ત્રણેયમાં એક એક હોય, કાં ત્રણેય clockwise હોય, કાં ત્રણેય anti-clockwise હોય છે, 3 હોય તો. So it will be minus 1 half 3 times. So minus 1 half, minus 1 half, minus 1 half, minus 3 by 2. So universally we can say plus or minus 1 half into 3. So answer is like this, plus or minus 3 by 2. This is our answer. Now in the case of oxygen, this is total spin of a nitrogen atom. Now what about oxygen? In oxygen, atomic number is 8. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In 1s 2 electron, in 2s 2, but in 2p there are 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see paired, paired, paired. So 0, 0, 0 spin. But here unpaired electrons are 2. Suppose 2 times plus 1 half. So plus 1 by 2. So 2 by 2. So it will be 1. Otherwise both are minus 1 half. So minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 divided by 2 gives minus 1. So it will be plus or minus 1. Total spin here. Why? Put down value here, plus or minus 1 half into n. Unpaired electron to do cut. So total spin for oxygen atom is plus or minus 1. Understood? Now what about fluorine? In the fluorine, atomic number is 9. So electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. So there are 5 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Paired. The plus 1 half, minus 1 half, cut. Here only one electron is unpaired. Unpaired electron is only one. So it should be plus 1 half or minus 1 half. So universally we can say plus or minus 1 half into 1. So it will be plus or minus 1 half. This is our total spin of the fluorine atom. Understood? This type of question asked in exam. So we have to discuss the now we are in our another point two words, diamagnetic and paramagnetic. On the basis of behavior in outer magnetic region, on the basis of species behavior in outer magnetic field, it classified into two classes. Species means atom, molecule और ions અને species કહેવાય. Diamagnetic and paramagnetic. What is diamagnetic? Whenever all the electrons are paired, means couple mode. In the species which experiences repulsion in outer magnetic region is called diamagnetic. એટલે કોઈ એક સ્પીસીસ હોય, આ મેગ્નેટ છે, નોર્થ પોલ એન્ડ સાઉથ પોલ, આ એનું મેગ્નેટિક રિજિયન છે. whenever species એના બધા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેઇડ હોય, it experiences repulsion. Any substance which has all the electron are paired, like helium. So 1s2, 2 electron is paired. 1s માં 2 electron પણ સ્પિન બેનો opposite, એટલે આનું magnetic region આના વડે કટ થઈ જાય. It will be cut by each other. So it experiences repulsion. That is called the diamagnetic. Understood? Which is called the diamagnetic. All the electrons are paired in the species. Species એટલે molecule, atom કે ion, એમાં બધા જ electron paired હોય. એક પણ unpaired electron ના હોય. So outermost magnetic field માં મૂકીએ તો repulsion પામે, એને diamagnetic કહેવાય. Now what is paramagnetic? Whenever one or more than one electron is unpaired, one or more than one electron is unpaired in the species, so it attracts toward outer magnetic region, which is called paramagnetic. એટલે કોઈ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ લઈએ, મેગ્નેટ, નોર્થ તો સાઉથ, બાર મેગ્નેટ, આ એનું મેગ્નેટિક રિજિયન હોય. Whenever suppose fluorine, line number copper में, suppose copper 29, here one electron is unpaired, D10 means totally filled orbital. These 10 are paired, but one is unpaired. Now one unpaired છે in 4s, so it is a magnetic field, and magnetic field attracts toward outer magnetic field. Whenever in the species having more than one or more than one electron are unpaired, so attracts toward the outermost magnetic field, which is called paramagnetic. તો એને paramagnetic કહેવાય છે. Two word comes magnet by yes. Now magnetism we can define how much attraction occurs in outermost region. There is a formula to finding that. Magnetic moment of an atom we can define magnetic moment of an atom mu equal to under root n into n plus 2 bm. Mu is a magnetic moment. Mu is magnetic moment. એટલે એનો એક પ્રકારનું માપ, મેઝરમેન્ટ. એટલે મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડમાં કેટલું એટ્રેક્શન છે. It depends upon number of unpaired electrons. This is mu, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. Bm is a unit, Bohr magneton. Bm is a unit, Bohr magneton. So we can say paramagnetism means attraction toward outermost magnetic field. So paramagnetic nature depends upon unpaired electrons. In the copper 29, argon 18, 4s1, 3d10. Here d10 is completed. All electrons are paired. Inner to paired OH, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, all are paired. D10 is paired. Only one electron is unpaired. So paramagnetism, Bm is a unit, Bohr magneton. Put down value here 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 1 ja 3. So root of it 1.73. Bohr magneton is the unit. Understood? Like this we can define some. But in the case of Cu plus 1, after arranging in increasing order, the પહેલા 4s fill up થાય પછી 3d, but whenever electron release થાય ત્યારે outermost હોય ને arrange થયા પછી એમાંથી એક electron જાય. So here all the electrons are paired. એટલે unpaired હતો એ remove થઈ ગયો. So copper is paramagnetic, but here all the electrons are paired. So here 0. So Cu plus 1 is the diamagnetic. This one is paramagnetic, like this. Now find out magnetic momentum of Fe plus 2. Actually, atomic number of Fe is 26. 4s2 3d6. In the case of Fe plus 2, 2 electron is removed. So remaining are 6 in 3d. આ બધા paired છે. There are 6 electron in d orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many unpaired electrons are there? 4. આ paired છે. Unpaired કેટલા? 4. So mu equal to under root 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 4s are 24. So 4.90 Bohr magneton is our answer, which is paramagnetic by nature. Now in the case of manganese, atomic number 25, argon 18, 4s2 3d5. So in the manganese, d orbital has 5 electron. So all the 5 are unpaired. 4s having 2, which is paired. So number of paired unpaired electron are 5. So mu equal to 5. 5 plus 2. So 7 5 are 35. 5.92 Bohr magneton. Yes, in the case of Mn plus 2, it remains as it is. Why? 2 electron કેમાંથી 4s માંથી રિલીઝ થાય. એ તો પેડ છે ભલે. તો d6 રહેશે. 1 2 3 4 5 6 unpaired is 4. So paramagnetism, yes, in manganese, 5 is unpaired. So paramagnetism and value 5.22. But in the case of Mn plus 4, 2 from here, 2 from here. So remaining 3. So 3 are unpaired. So put down value here. 3 plus 3 plus 2, 15. So 3.87. In the case of Mn plus 5, 2 from here and 3 from here. So remaining electron are 2 in D. So 2 are unpaired. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. So 2.87, like this. Understood? We can define value. એટલે મેગ્નેટિક રિજિયનમાં કેટલું એટ્રેક્શન છે એનું માપ વેલ્યુ ઇઝ મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટમ. એટલે અનપેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય તો એનું મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટમ વી કેન ડિફાઇન યુઝિંગ ધીસ ફોર્મ્યુલા. અંડરસ્ટુડ? Now another IMP point is angular orbital angular momentum. In exam, for different orbital, angular momentum is asked. So we have to use this formula. L is azimuthal quantum number. એટલે કોઈ પણ orbital ની angular momentum પૂછાય. Give the orbital angular momentum of the orbital. So under root L into L plus 1 h upon 2 pi. Sometimes h scroll. H upon 2 pi means h scroll also gives. Actually, momentum angular of orbital. S is the spherical. And for S, value of L equal to 0. So put down here 0. 0 into 0 plus 1, so it remains 0. So angular momentum of s orbital is 0. Understood? Now P is dumbbell. P is a dumbbell. So angular momentum of P orbital, your value of L will be 1. So here 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 1 means 2. Root 2 h upon 2 pi. Otherwise, root 2 into h scroll. H upon 2 pi means h scroll. But now listen, 2 means root 2 2 times. Root means 1/2. So base is common. So rest chain addition થાય. 1/2 plus 1/1, so 2 raised to 1, 2 થઈ ગયું. એટલે 2 હોય ત્યાં 2 times root 2 લખી શકાય. So here root 2 h upon root 2 pi. One time cut. So h upon root 2 pi is our answer. This one true, this one true, this one true. Like this. This is angular momentum of the p orbital. Now what about d orbitals? Orbital angular momentum for d orbital. Actually d is a double dumbbell bicep. Value of L is 2. So here value of L is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 2 ja 6. Root 6 h upon 2 pi. Clear? Otherwise root 6 h scroll h upon 2 pi. Formula. So h scroll outside. Here we are simplifying. 6 means 3 2 ja 6. So 2 root 2 into root 3 h upon 2 pi. So root 2 root 3 h upon 2 pi. Here 2 means root 2 2 times. So root 3 h upon root 2 pi. This one also. Clear? We are simplifying this, our result. Now for f orbital, actually irregular shape. Irregular shape of f orbital. Value of L is 3. So 3 plus 1 into 4. 4 3 ja 12. Root 2 root 12 h upon 2 pi. Otherwise root 12 h scroll. 4 3 ja 12. 4 comes outside as a 2. So root 3 h upon 2 pi. 2 cut. So answer root 3 h upon 2 pi for f orbitals. Angular momentum of orbital we can define using this formula. Now we are in Zeeman effect. Zeeman effect and Stark effect. Splitting of a line of the atomic spectra is splitting of line of the atomic spectra in the magnetic field is called Zeeman effect. This effect discovered by Zeeman. Sometimes in the spectra, 2 or 3 lines occurs at the same place. Doublet, triplet, બે કે ત્રણ લાઈન એક જ જગ્યા ઉપર મળે છે. When we put into the magnetic field, આપણે એને magnetic field માં મૂકી દઈએ તો splitting occurs. એટલે બે લાઈન કે ત્રણ લાઈન સેપરેટ થઈ જાય. This is called Zeeman effect. એટલે બે કે ત્રણ લાઈન એનું રીઝન એ છે into P, PR3, PX, PY, PZ, and energy of 2px, 2py and 2pz are same. So line occurs at same place, but orientation of px, the direction px, electron no energy same છે, but direction is different, px, py and pz. So orientation difference છે. So it separates in magnetic field. આ x axis પર, y axis પર અને આ z axis પર હોય છે. So splitting occurs. Yes, here for p orbital value of L is 1. So ml equal to 2l plus 1. So number of orbitals of a subcell, એટલે p subcell છે એની orbitals કેટલી આના ઉપરથી મળે કેટલી 3, and value of ml minus l 0 2 plus l 5. So minus 1 0 l plus 1, so it should be px, py and pz. એટલે આવું સ્પ્લિટિંગ થાય છે. એટલે એનર્જી સેમ હોય, એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન જ્યારે પાછો આવે એટલે લાઈન એક જ પ્લેસ ઉપર મળે, પણ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડમાં સ્પ્લિટિંગ થઈ જાય, લાઇન્સ છે સેપરેટ થઈ જાય અને સ્પ્લિટિંગ કહેવાય. બીકોઝ એનું જે મેગ્નેટિક રિજિયન છે એ 3 ડિરેક્શનમાં હોય છે, એટલે સ્પ્લિટિંગ થાય છે. નાઉ સ્ટાર્ક ઇફેક્ટ. Splitting of light of the atomic spectra in a electrical field is called a Stark effect. હવે આપણે મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડની બદલે, કારણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે એ પાર્ટિકલ છે, નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ, and whenever negative charge particle moves, so it emits a magnetic field and electrical field occur થાય. યસ, અને પોતાનું આ મૂવિંગ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનને પોતાનું ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ફિલ્ડ અને મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ હોય છે. When these 3 lines, when we put into electrical region, તો splitting occurs. લાઇનનું સેપરેશન થાય છે અને સ્પ્લિટિંગ કહેવાય. એટલે જે એક જ જગ્યાએ લાઇન મળતી હતી એ સેપરેટ થઈ જાય છે. સેમ રીઝન PR3 degenerated. Now for D, DR5, DXY, DYZ, DZX, DX square minus Y square and DZ square. D are actually 5 છે. So for D orbital value of L is 2. So number of orbitals of the subcell will be 5. So which is lying down in 5 direction. Double dumbbelling shape, XY plane, YZ, ZX, DX square minus Y square, DZ square. So electrons is supposed present in there. So splitting occurs and -2, -1 0, +1 and +5. So dz square dxy dyz dx square minus y square and dz square type of 5 type of orientation occurs. એટલે એનર્જી ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ અને મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ હોય એટલે D5 છે, એનર્જી સેમ છે. એટલે D માં ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ હોય તો એ સેમ પ્લેસ ઉપર લાઈન આપે ઇન ધ સ્પેક્ટ્રા, પણ ઇન ધ ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ફિલ્ડ એનું સ્પ્લિટિંગ થઈ જાય, લાઈન સેપરેટ થઈ જાય, કારણ કે એનું ઓરિએન્ટેશન ડિરેક્શન છે એ 5 ડિરેક્શનમાં ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટેડ હોય એટલે તો D5 છે. એટલે 5 મેગ્નેટિક રિજિયન મળે, 5 ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ રિજિયન મળે, એટલે સ્પ્લિટિંગ થઈ જાય અને પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ અને નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ પ્લેટ આપણે એપ્લાય કરીએ. This is called the Stark effect. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.